Sairam, brothers and sisters. This is the first remedy provided by Swami in curing a simple headache. So it is crucial that you know the basic anatomical points before you can go ahead with this massage. First, this is the right eyebrow. This is the left eyebrow. Between right eyebrow and left eyebrow, this is the midpoint. The anatomical name they use to on this point is glabella. This is the hairline where the hair grows. Between the hairline and the right eyebrow, the midpoint here, that's the first point you should remember. Between the glabella and the hairline here, the midpoint is here. That's the second point you should remember. The third point is between the left eyebrow and then the hairline, the midpoint is here. That's the third point. So, first step, you use 3 fingers as follows, with each finger separated apart. First finger goes to the first point, second finger goes to the second point, third finger goes to the third point. And rotate in a circular motion clockwise for 20 times or 30 times, depending on the number of times you wish to. I will just demonstrate to you. So 20 times have rotated it clockwise. Now anti-clockwise, you have to rotate it in a similar number of times, that is 20 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 times. So that's the first step. Second step is you go for the temporal region. Temporal region, the most easiest method is you take the upper lobe of the ear and then draw a horizontal line. And this is the eyebrow, you draw a vertical line. Between the horizontal line and a vertical line, the point here is known as temporal region. Apply 3 fingers as follows. So I will demonstrate to you clockwise rotation 20 times and anti-clockwise rotation 20 times. And you go rotate it anti-clockwise also equal number of times, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 times rotation finish. So right side temporal region finish, you go for the left side temporal region. Similar principle. Temporal region is here. Horizontal line, vertical line of the side ones. This is the point. So you apply the 3 fingers as follows. Rotate it 20 times clockwise and 20 times anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then rotate it anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So 20 times rotation has been completed. So first point, second, and the third point is known as suboccipital fossa. The exact location of the suboccipital fossa I will demonstrate to you, and you have to use 3 fingers as follows. Okay, so you go along the midline, and as you bend down the head along the midline, this is the heart bone, this is the skull, and there you find something like a valley. So you apply 3 fingers and rotate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. So clockwise rotation 20 times and anti-clockwise rotation 20 times. That's the third step. Fourth step, you have to concentrate on my hand. This is the thumb, this is the index finger. Between the thumb and the index finger, you find a muscle prominence here. You apply 3 fingers as follows and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So 20 times clockwise and 20 times anti-clockwise. Similar application goes to the right hand. You take 3 fingers as follows apply over the area where there's a muscle prominence and go ahead with rotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20 times rotation. That completes the treatment for headache. There is no fixed number of times. You can do it 10 times, or you can do 20 times, or you can do 30 times, depending on the situation and whether you're getting a relief or not. There's an important points here. If you have headache, go ahead with this massage and try to find a relief. If you don't have headache, do not do this, because that will generate a sort of headache for you. And I will just comprehend the overall steps before I close this session. First point is this: 20 times clockwise rotation, 20 times anti-clockwise rotation. Second is temporal region, 20 times clockwise rotation and 20 times anti-clockwise rotation. Similarly, on the left temporal region, 20 times clockwise rotation, 20 times anti-clockwise rotation. That's the second step. Then third step is suboccipital fossa. This is a fossa there. 20 times clockwise rotation, 20 times anti-clockwise rotation. Suboccipital fossa is something like a hard bone. When you go for palpation, then you get something like a soft tissue there which goes something like a valley. That is suboccipital fossa. The fourth step is, this is the muscle prominence here. You apply your 3 fingers there, combine together and rotate 20 times clockwise, 20 times anti-clockwise, and similar application over the left hand, 20 times clockwise and 20 times anti-clockwise. That's the first step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This massage is applicable for simple headache. Any kind of complicated headache, probably you have to get medical attention and medical treatment. Jai Sai Ram.